Hey beautiful people, welcome back to BreciEmpire. I'm here again with another tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to place your lace frontal before you sew it down. So as you can see in this video, before I will place it on the mannequin head with the mesh down cap, I will have to double the lace frontal and look for the middle and pass through a T-pin, so for me to know where the center part is. So after that, I will place the lace frontal on the mannequin head, as you see, as I'm doing in the video. So I'll bring the mannequin and the lace frontal, then I will place it, as you can see in this video. So from where the mesh down cap stop, you measure 3 inches downward. For this video not to be too long, I didn't show how I measure it, but you can see from the mannequin I have a black dot there. That is where I will place the frontal. So when you get to that place, all I have to do is just pin it down. Okay, then after pinning it down, I will have to pin the back down side also, but first you secure the front first so that you know where the center is. So now what I will do now, I will take another T-pin and pin the back down. I'll pin it down. Sorry guys, I forgot to turn the camera so that you can see it well. So what I was just doing there is just to pin, to secure the back of the lace frontal down. So that is what I was just doing there. Okay, after securing it down, then I'll have to do the same to the two sides of the lace frontal, as you can see I'm doing in the video. So you make sure you lay the lace closure flat, let it stay very flat. Okay, then you pin it down. So what I'm trying to do now is that at the end of that lace closure, I will make sure it's laying down very flat before I pin it down. So now I will do the same at the other side also. Before you place the lace closure down, try to keep the hair. You can braid it or use a clip to clip the hair out of the way so that it will not disturb you. So now I'll still do the same thing the way I did on the other side. Lay the lace closure very flat before I pin it down. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly subscribe and hit that notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. So when I lay the edge of the lace closure flat, I will use a T-pin to secure it so that it will not move from there. Then when you finish, it will give you this M shape. So if it didn't give you this M shape, that means you didn't do it well. You have to repeat it again. Okay, just do it until you get it. If you want to know how I sewed this lace closure down, kindly check out my previous video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and see you in my next video. Bye.